So this is our third video on in Ali's English Insight. In this video, I'm going to discuss over the 18 tenses complete with a complete detail and complete discussion. I know that most of you would be thinking tenses are easy to use in the communication of English and they speaking English, but this video is perfectly made for those students who do not know correct use of the tenses. So without wasting time, let's get started. So gets started. We are going to discuss about these tenses. Tenses, we say basically tense. It means time. We are talking about time and period. This is subcategorized into three parts. One is past, present, and future. In future, we discuss about coming time, and in present, we are talking about running time. That is running. And in past, we talk about the previous time, that is spent time at a previous time, that is now our past. So now here we are going to discuss about 18 tenses. In this lecture we will discuss 18 tenses that will cover all the confusions that can be cause of restriction during the speaking. So first tense from which we are going to start, that is to be present tense. To be present tense. To be present tense. To be present tense, in this tense we will focus on these 2 points. In this tense there are 2 conditions. One is existence and other one that is state. We will not discuss about the definitions or structure that take me a long time, but because they are not essential in speaking, so we will discuss the sentences related to each tense that could assist us in learning the English communication skills better. Related to the existence, the sentence that I am going to make related to the existence the to be present tense would be like Ahmed in existence, like Ahmed is in office. This shows basically the existence of Ahmed in office. Ahmed office में है. Ahmed is in office. And in a state, the other sentence in a state that may show the state of subject, that is like I am a doctor. I am a doctor. This is my state, that I am a doctor. For example, I am a brave boy. That is my state. That shows the characteristic and quality of myself, that I am a brave. Number second पे जो to be past tense, that is to be past tense. That is to be past tense. In this tense also we will focus on 2 conditions, existence and state, but here auxiliary verbs will be changed. Just here were is and are, that were the auxiliary verbs of the present tense. Here we will use the was and were. Like examples we take Ali was in office. Ali was in office. Or this shows the existence of Ali's in office, that he was in office. And Ali was a doctor. This shows the state of Ali, that Ali was a doctor. Number third tense, that is to be future tense. To be future tense. In this future tense also we will discuss on the basis of existence and state of the subject, as we have discussed before this in the present and past to be tenses. Here we will take also two examples related to the existence and the state of the subject. For an example, I will be. Here we will put will be with the subject. I will be in office, or I will be in a playground. I will be in a soccer. This is my existence basically, and this shows my state that I will be an officer. This shows basically a state of myself in the coming time, in the future time. Now on a fourth number, we are going to have discussion over to have tense, to have present tense, to have present tense. And to have present tense, we will talk about to have means possession. It shows basically possession of subject. In this we will focus on a possession. That's something, or we have something that is our own, that we possess. Like to have present tense, in this we take examples of the sentences like Ali has. We know that with the singular we use has, and with the plural we will use have. Ali has 2 pens. Ali has 2 pens. It means this is the possession of Ali. This is that Ali has 2 pens. Ali possesses 2 pens. If we are going to make its negative, then we will use does not have 2 pens. Ali does not have 2 pens. And if we are making its interrogative, does Ali have a pen? 2 pens. Does Ali not have a 2 pens? Like this, if we take another example, of to have present tense, that is Ali and I have football. Ali and I have football. Now here, if we are going to make its negative, then we will have to use do. Ali and I don't have football. If we are going to make its interrogative, do I have football, or do I and Ali not have? Now we will move into the past to have tense. To have past tense. To have past tense. In this tense, basically there is the same rule, but in this we will use had at the place of. In this we will use had, because this is the past to have tense at the place of has or have that we used in the present tense to have tense. Take 2 sentences for an example for further description, like I had buffalo. For example, I had buffalo. They had their own house. They had their own house. उनको अपनी जगह थी, उनको अपना घर था, हाउस था अब नहीं है. This shows the past possession, past to have tense. This was, I think, fourth, fifth tense. Now this was fourth tense, and now this is sixth. That is to have future. To have future tense. In this tense also we will talk about possession case, but in the future, in this we will use will have. Will have. In this we will talk about will have. We will use will have. Like Ali will have. Ali will have a car. Like I will have a bungalow. Like I have a bungalow. I have a bungalow. So this is our seventh tense. This is our seventh tense that we are going to discuss. This is present indefinite tense. This tense is also called present simple tense. This is also called present simple tense. As we have been discussing other tenses with examples, sentences, this also would be discussed. So we would take two examples, like, and one thing else, that this tense is mostly used in our habitual tense. This is also called habitual tense with the simple tense and indefinite tense. Like example, Ali writes a letter like I meet my friend. I meet my friends. So in this tense, Ali write a letter. Ali खत लिखता है. I meet my friends. मीट के साथ विथ या एल्स कुछ नहीं लगेगा. मीट के साथ जस्ट जो पोजीशन कैसे माय फ्रेंड्स वो लगेगा बस. मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिलता हूँ. आई मीट माई फ्रेंड्स. सो दिस इज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. सो एट्थ टेंस, that is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, this is also habitual tense, but this talks about past, previous time that has been spent. So in this we would just modify the tense by putting second form of the word, like Ali. In that tense we used Ali writes a letter. In that tense we used Ali writes a letter. Ali khat likhta hai. And in this tense we are going to use second form of the verb, write, of the write. Like Ali wrote a letter. Ali wrote a letter. Ali ने खत लिखा. Like I made, second form of the verb, I made my friends. मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिला. And number ninth tense, that is future. That is future indefinite tense. Number ninth tense, that is future indefinite tense. This tense is also habitual tense, but this talks about future time, that is coming time. That is coming time. Like in this we would use the examples that I will meet my friends. I will meet my friends. मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिलूंगा. I will meet my friends. मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिलूंगा. और she will sing a song. वो गाना गाएगी. She will sing a song. So number 10 sentence tense, that is, now we will talk about continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. In present continuous tense we talk about the time that is running now. In this we talk about like मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. I am eating meal. In this we put fourth form of the verb. I am eating meal. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. They are singing a song. वो गाना गा रहे हैं. They are singing song. Like this. Now this is 11th tense, that is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. This is also like present continuous, but this here we will use we use are. They are singing song, but in this tense we are going to use were singing song at the place of are. Like first sentence, that is Ali was. Due to Ali is a singular, that's why we are using was, but with the plural we will be using were. Ali was jumping. Ali was jumping from floor. और सील कह सकते हैं आप. अली was jumping from floor. अली छत से कूद रहा था. और she was running. She was running. और I वर्क का यूज कर लें. Like I and they. I and they were. I and they were meeting. Like I and they. Sorry, yeah. Like I and they were meeting with our favorite personality. हम अपने फेवरेट पर्सनालिटी शख्सियत से मिल रहे थे. So this was 11th tense. Now we will discuss the 12th tense, that is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. In this tense we are also using continuous time, that is continuous running, but we will be discussing here the change is the modification, that is here we will use will be at the place of was or were. Like first sentence, that is I will be writing a letter. I will be writing a letter. मैं खत लिख रहा हूँगा. Like second sentence, that is they will be going to school. वो स्कूल जा रहे होंगे. They will be going to school. And number 13th sentence, that is 13th tense is, now we will discuss present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we are talking about the task that is recently that has been completed. Now that has been completed, accomplished. Like इसमें हम बात करते हैं कि कोई भी काम अभी अभी कंप्लीट हुआ हो, recently has been completed. Like this is that's why we say perfect tense, present perfect tense. For an example, I have, इसमें हम have यूज़ करते हैं, हैज़ हैव यूज़ करते हैं, हैज़ विद प्लूरल सिंगुलर एंड हैव विद प्लूरल्स. इसका नेगेटिव और इंट्रागेटिव भी आपको यूजेज बताऊंगा, जैसे कि दैट इज़ बीइंग मोस्टली यूज्ड. आई हैव, ये पोजीशन केस नहीं है. पोजीशन केस में हम पोजीशन सब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन के बारे में बात करते हैं, मलकियत के बारे में बात करते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट अबाउट पोजीशन, बट दिस इज़ अबाउट द एक्शन दैट हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड नाउ रिसेंटली. आई हैव डन माई होमवर्क. मैं अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ या कर दिया है. आई हैव डन माई होमवर्क. दे हैव, लाइक दे हैव सेड. वैसे सेड तो नहीं यूज़ होता, टोल्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ट्रुथ के साथ टोल्ड होता है. दे हैव टोल्ड ट्रुथ. दे हैव टोल्ड ट्रुथ. लाइक हेज़ के साथ सिंगुलर हो तो हेज़ यूज़ करते हैं, बट आई सिंगुलर है, मोस्टली आई के साथ ये रूल है कि हैव यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक he has sung a song. आपको पता है कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस जब यूज़ करते हैं तो इसमें हम थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. यहाँ लेके हैड डन यूज़ किया है, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. यहाँ टोल्ड, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. sung is a third form of the sing, that is गाना. Number 14th tense, that is past perfect tense. In past perfect tense we talk about the task that was accomplished. इसमें हम ऐसे कि have की जगह हम past को लेते हैं, had यूज़ करते हैं. Like example, I had gone to the market. He had done his work. एंड में आप कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. ये डन इज़ वर्क सिंसियरली और विद सिंसियरिटी, विद अश्योरिटी. ये डन इज़ वर्क, वो अपना काम कर चुका था. एंड 15th पे हम बात करते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में हम बात करेंगे कर चुका होगा, वो काम कर चुका होगा. द एक्शन दैट इज अबाउट टू बी डन. लाइक आई, इसमें विल हैव यूज़ करते हैं. आई विल हैव accomplished my task given by manager. और एंड में आप कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. I have accomplished the task that was given by manager. I have accomplished task. I will have accomplished task. मैं अपना काम कर चुका हूँगा. या तो another sentence, that is they will have gone to Karachi. दे विल हैव गॉन टू कराची, वो कराची जा चुके होंगे। नंबर 16 पे जो टेंस है हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट continuous tense. Now 16th tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. This tense in Urdu we say zaman mazi kareeb jari. This is difficult, but zaman mazi kareeb jari, it means to say that the task or the work has been started in past time but still is in progress or in running time. The task or the work started, काम जो शुरू हुआ माजी में वो अभी तक चल रहा है। द वर्क स्टार्टेड इन पास्ट टाइम, इन पास्ट टाइम इज स्टिल इन प्रोग्रेस इन रनिंग टाइम, इन रनिंग टाइम। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसमें एक और कॉन्सेप्ट है सिंस और फार का, वो आपको मैं एक और लेक्चर बताऊंगा, डिटेल में समझाऊंगा। सिंस और फार का यूज़ यहाँ हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं बेसिकली। फॉर एग्जाम्पल शी हैज़ बिन, इसमें हैज़ और बिन लगाएंगे प्लस में फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। शी हैज़ बिन सिंगिंग, शी हैज़ बिन, ये बेसिकली स्पीकिंग में कम यूज़ होता है लेकिन अगर कॉन्सेप्ट हो तो अच्छा है। शी हैज़ बिन सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग, सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग सिंस yesterday. She has been singing a song since yesterday. वो कल से गाना गाती रही है, वो कल से गाना गाती रही है। और नेगेटिव करेंगे तो शी हैज़ नॉट बिन सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग सिंस yesterday। इंट्रोगेटिव करेंगे तो हैज़ शी बिन सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग सिंस yesterday। और नेगेटिव हैज़ नॉट बिन, हैज़ शी नॉट बिन सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग सिंस yesterday। So 7th tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense. In this tense we talk about the work that started in a past time and is still started in a past time and accomplished or that completed in a past time. For an example, he had been writing a novel, he had been writing a novel for, उसमें हमने सिंस का यूज़ किया, इसमें फार का यूज़ किया। थोड़ा सा आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा, लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बाद में एक और लेक्चर बनाऊंगा इस सिंस और फार के डिफरेंस को समझाने के लिए। वो डिटेल में समझाऊंगा कि कौन से सेंटेंस के साथ हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं फार और कौन से के साथ सिंस यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ही हैड बिन राइटिंग अ नॉवल फॉर 2 months, ये बेसिकली पीरियड यहाँ शो हो रहा है मंथ, इसके लिए हम फॉर यूज़ कर रहे हैं। ही हैड बिन राइटिंग अ नॉवल फॉर 2 months, वो 2 माह से नॉवल लिखता रहा था, वो 2 माह से नॉवल लिखता रहा था। और नेगेटिव करेंगे ही हैड नॉट बिन राइटिंग अ नॉवल फॉर 2 months, इंट्रोगेटिव द हैड ही बिन राइटिंग अ नॉवल फॉर 2 months, ऐसे ही इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। And our last, that is 18th tense, that is finally 18th tense, that is future perfect continuous tense. future perfect continuous tense. In this tense we talking about the action started in a past time and still is running, still is a continuous in a progress in a future time that is going to be accomplished, in a future that would be accomplished, that in future that might be accomplished. Like in this tense, for an example, he will have been, he will have been waiting since last night. He will have been waiting since last night. वो कल रात से वो कल रात से इंतज़ार कर रहा होगा. He will have been waiting since last night. Are they will have been doing job in a factory for a long time. For a long times के साथ भी for यूज़ करते हैं, for a long time. So finally these were the 18 tenses. Those are the basic and fundamental for speaking English language. So I hope I could clear all the confusions and concepts of yours regarding the tenses in this lecture. So if you like my video, share with your friends and let me know in comment box in the comment section that if you have any sort of the question you are allowed to ask, you can ask regarding the tenses. So meet you in the next video.